I'm so excited for the quarterfinals of the Rugby World Cup. So let's quickly fly abroad and see in what weather conditions will the Springboks be taking on hosts of France on Sunday, just north of Paris at Stade de France. Now it's actually going to be a cold weekend, and on Sunday, only a high of about 14 degrees. Even colder, the evening kickoff is at 9 o'clock with a temperature of 8 degrees and an icy wind blowing. Good luck, boys. I know you've got this. Now let's see what bright weather can you expect this weekend in South Africa. Let's jump right into our accumulated rainfall model showing where we can expect rain this weekend, and we can see lots of it is going to fall mainly late on Sunday into Monday over the northern and eastern areas of South Africa. Let's have a look at the accumulation again, and now adding the amount of rain that is likely in some areas. Most of the rain will fall here in the shade of pink, where more than 50 millimeters could accumulate up until Monday morning over the northern areas and eastern areas of the Free State, the Highveld, there in the Lowveld of Limpopo, and on a Monday morning in parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Now, what's causing all of this rain? Let's have a look at our synoptic analysis showing a coastal low on Saturday, still bringing in cloud, cool conditions and light rain for parts of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be much warmer here in the west and hot again over the central areas of South Africa. And then late on Saturday, that onshore flow will bring in some cloud, light rain and cooler conditions for the Lowveld and Mpumalanga. Into Sunday, we've got this trough extending and bringing down lots of moisture from the tropics. Therefore, we are expecting stormy conditions to move over the northeastern areas of South Africa. And as mentioned, a few of those storms could likely become severe and result in large amounts of hail or even heavy downpours. Looking at our wind map, a strong southwesterly wind on a Saturday morning expected along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, and then that southeaster also later picking up in the mother city, light winds over the interior of South Africa. And then on Sunday, winds are turning 90 or 180 degrees along the east coast. We're now expecting a mainly easterly wind for the southern coastline, and the Cape Doctor still blowing in Cape Town, fresh to strong at times. Here's a rainfall map for Saturday. We're expecting rainy conditions here over Nelson Mandela Bay and the coast of the Eastern Cape, and then later isolated showers spreading along the eastern escarpment. And due to the extreme heat and enough moisture, a few isolated thunderstorms likely to bubble up in parts of Limpopo, but dry on Saturday over the interior of South Africa. Into Sunday, we're expecting most of the stormy conditions from late afternoon into the evening. That band will stretch all the way over northwest. Significant rain likely in parts of Gauteng, but most of the severe storms will move over the northern and eastern areas of the Free State, as well as the Highveld of Mpumalanga, and then later becoming scattered over the northern areas of KwaZulu-Natal. A slight chance of a few thunderstorms bubbling up in parts of the Northern Cape. Here's your temperatures on Saturday. It's still quite cool to mild in the shade of green over parts of the Karoo as well as the Eastern Cape. Maximum temperatures about 20 degrees. A much warmer day, but windy in the mother city, 26 on Saturday. And then it's going to be hot in northwest Gauteng with maximum temperatures soaring above 30 degrees. Into Sunday, cooler conditions spreading into parts of KwaZulu-Natal as well as along the eastern escarpment into Mpumalanga, mid-20s in those areas. And it's still going to be a very warm day for the Northern Cape, 32 degrees in Upington. Warm and windy in Cape Town, 26 degrees, and then quickly heating up ahead of scattered thunderstorms expected to move over northwest Gauteng as well as parts of the Bushveld and Highveld. That's all from me. Please be on the lookout for any weather warnings issued by the South African Weather Service, especially for Sunday. Have a lovely weekend.